Hi, in today's video, we will be reviewing Colorbot Knoxx BLDC fan and also comparing it with Atomberg BLDC fans. This particular model which I am using for past 2 years, which I have a full detailed video about this particular fan which you can check by clicking this link over here. Also, I will be putting it in my video description. Both these fans are BLDC. So BLDC is a brushless DC fan technology. So instead of AC motors, we use DC brushless motors, which in turn give you much higher efficiency. Both these fans have a maximum power draw of 28 watts when they are on highest speed, and if you reduce the speeds, the power draw also substantially reduces with it. If you try to do a comparison between the both, the main difference starts with the price. This particular model costs you 4,200 rupees against 4,900 rupees for Renaissance model. This particular model is a Smart Plus, so it also has IoT capabilities, but this costs much higher. For this particular video, we will be just comparing non-IoT aspects of both these devices. So first of all, there is a 15% price saving which you get with the Colorbot. Also, the warranty which is offered with Colorbot is 4 years, 2 years base plus 2 years extended against 3 years with 2 years base and 1 year extended for Atomberg. At the same time, the Knoxx fan is a premium offering which has 4 blades and a premium design as compared to base design of Atomberg. So if we open the main carton, this is the main unit, cocoa brown, and it also has a golden ring on the center, and it has 4 fan blades instead of 3 which you get on Atomberg. In this separate box, we get our 4 fan blades. The length of these fan blades is 1200 mm. So if you see the main unit, on the front itself a sticker has been placed which says bypass the regulator, because this fan has speed control within itself which can be easily accessed with a provided remote. If we open the box, here we get a thank you card, and at the back side here we can scan this QR and register for additional 2 years of warranty. Also, you can download the digital manual. We get our rod for the fan, 2 cups. This is our intelligent remote. So we get a white color remote for which Duracell batteries are also provided in the box itself. Here we get this clamp which is used to fix the fan to our ceiling, and finally we have our main unit inside the box. So if I remove this packet, this is how our main unit looks. Here the power savings guide is been given. So this is a 5-star energy rated fan. If you look closely, these clips which are used to connect electrical wires have truss design, so you don't need a screwdriver to connect it. Due to these BLDC fans, first of all, you have a very high amount of power savings in tune of 70 to 80%. At the same time, these fans are much more quieter in their operation as compared to their old counterparts, and as they consume very less energy, they last much longer on your home inverters. So this has many benefits as compared to traditional normal fans. So if we open the other box which contains fan blades, this particular color, as I have mentioned, is cocoa brown, or you can say dark brown. You also get other colors in this particular model, so you can choose a color which suits your decor accordingly. So if you see the box, here the MRP has been specified as 8,555, but as I have already told you, you can get this particular fan for 4,200. I will be sharing my affiliate links for these models in my video description. So if you want to check the current price, you can click them and check the price, as well as if you want to buy them, you can use these links for the same. This is a Colorbot Knoxx Quad, so it has 4 blades, so it's a quad BLDC ceiling fan. Also, all the contents which we get in the box are mentioned here. So now let me assemble this fan, and after I assemble, we will discuss further details. Here you can see I have assembled this fan. So this is how it will look, and it has 4 fan blades. Also, these fan blades are coated in such a way that less amount of dust and grime sticks on it while it's in operation. If you compare this fan with the Atomberg one, you can clearly see that Atomberg is pretty small in size, whereas this is more like size of a conventional fan. So now I will go ahead and attach this fan to the ceiling, and then we will compare the performance of the two side by side. So friends, now I have installed this fan, and this is how the fan will look. The cup which you can see above is from Atomberg itself. I have not changed it because changing it would have been much difficult. But except for the cup, this is how the fan will look. So if you compare the remotes of Colorbot and Atomberg, you can see the features are much similar. So here you get the power on off button. For both the fans, you can have the LED on even if the fan is off, and you can also turn them off. So this function is controllable through the remote LED button. So here on this ring, we have speed control. Here on Atomberg, we have 1 to 5 speed and then a boost speed. For Colorbot, we have 1 to 6 and then the fan button. At the bottom, here we have timer and sleep buttons. For Atomberg, on Colorbot, we have 2H, 4H, 6H and 8H. Press one of the buttons. After that much time, the fan will switch off automatically. But on Colorbot, we have a special feature and a button which is missing on Atomberg, which is reverse. So if you are in areas which are very cold and you also want to circulate warm air when there is extreme cold and you are using heaters, then this reverse function is extremely important. At the same time, if you want to just circulate the air in your room but don't want to feel the air directly on your body, this reverse function is quite useful. Basically, when you press the reverse button, the fan moves in the reverse direction, sucking in the air from the bottom of the room and spreading it at the top. Now if my fan is in off position and if I press the reverse button twice, you can see that the fan starts rotating in the reverse direction. So if we compare these two models, the reverse function is only available on Colorbot model. So friends, if you consider the look of two fans, this is how our Colorbot fan looks, and at the same time, this is how our Renaissance fan looks. This is one fan, this is the other. Now I will set the fan at higher speed. This is our Atomberg fan. So what I can tell from both fans comparing side by side is Atomberg, when on its higher speed, is a bit loud as compared to the Colorbot fan. The air flow output of Colorbot fan is a bit less than Atomberg. If we compare spec wise, the Atomberg fan's CFM for 3 blade is 235, whereas our Colorbot fan with this 4 blade model is 230. So there is very minute difference in air output, but you can say there is a noticeable difference in the sound profile of both. These are the two cups which we get with the Colorbot fan. This cup will go on the top side, this will go on the bottom side, and if you see the design, both have a screwless design. So friends, now if we summarize both the fans after comparing it and seeing its performance, I can say that Colorbot fan has some particular advantages. First thing, it has a reverse mode. At the same time, it's 15% cheaper and it has a 1-year excess warranty as compared to Atomberg. Also, the Colorbot fan has a silent operation. So the warranty is also doorstep warranty. So the technician will be visiting your home and checking the fan. If some locations are unserviceable, then in that location they will be collecting the defective fan from your side and sending out a replacement to you, and all this thing is taken care by the company. Atomberg also has same type of service. One thing where I will say that Atomberg is a bit better than Colorbot is it has a slight air throw advantage as compared to Colorbot, but the difference between the two is negligible. I would definitely recommend you to go for BLDC fans against the old technology fans, as they are much quieter, much power efficient than the old counterparts. I would also like to give you a disclaimer that this particular video is being produced in collaboration with Colorbot, and also they have sent me this particular model for review. But as always, I have not accepted any script from the company, as well as they have no editorial input in the video. They will be seeing this video with you once the video is live on YouTube. So friends, if you have any more queries, please feel free to ask them in comment section and I will try to answer them all. So I hope you have got value from this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel to enjoy more such amazing and unbiased content. And also at the same time, click on the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos as soon as they are published. And that's all for now. Take care and bye-bye.